Welcome to Cognos Toolkit, How to Push Dashboard and Report Specifications to GitHub. Most businesses maintain source code control of their assets for both audit and upgrade tracking purposes. GitHub has become the de facto standard for source code control, and Cognos Toolkit GitHub Integration enables Cognos authors and administrators the ability to easily push Cognos object specifications to their GitHub or GitHub Enterprise repositories. In this quick demo, we'll say I'm a report author who has made changes and finished testing an updated employee expenses report. So I'm ready to push this up to my GitHub repository. Just navigate to my report. Here's my report, employee expenses, and you can see what we have here is a new item in the context menu, and it's shared to GitHub. I'll click that. We're prompted for a commit message. I'll just go ahead and add that I'm updating the filter. And we click OK. We get back a successful message telling us that that has been added to the repository. And now I'll just flip to the repository. Over here in the repository, we can see that the GitHub integration automatically creates all of the folder structure for us. Underneath team content, we can go to samples. We're here underneath reports, standard reports. And here we can see my employee expenses report that was just updated 24 seconds ago with my commit message. I'm going to go ahead and open that, and we can see here's our Cognos report XML specification in the GitHub repository. For another example, I'll just flip back just to show. We can do the same with dashboards, and dashboards are JSON specification as opposed to a XML specification. And we'll say that I've updated my policy analysis dashboard. I'm ready to push that. I've tested everything. And in this case, I'm just updating a query. Click OK. We get back our successful message that that's been pushed up already. We'll just flip back and we'll navigate back to the samples folder in our repo. Go into the dashboards, and we can see here's the policy analysis dashboard that was just updated here. And opening that up, we can see that instead of the XML specification, there's our JSON. One of the things that's worth mentioning here is that it's not just dashboards and report specifications. All of the different Cognos object types that have specifications, whether they're JSON or XML, can be kept in the repository in this way. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to check out our other videos in the Cognos Toolkit How-To series. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us at diagtool@ca.ibm.com.